It was a Saturday night like any other in Bangkok's bustling Silom district. The neon lights illuminated the streets, where locals and tourists mingled in bars, clubs, and night markets. But beneath the city's vibrant exterior, a dangerous criminal operation was thriving. Nwaiwu Ifeanyi Placid, a 46-year-old Nigerian national, was about to become the center of a major drug bust that would shake the city's nightlife scene. Placid had been living in Thailand for several years, blending in with the expatriate community and keeping a low profile. What seemed like an ordinary foreigner enjoying the Thai lifestyle was, in reality, deeply embedded in an international drug trafficking network. Silom, a place known for its lively entertainment, was the very hub where cocaine was being trafficked, processed, and distributed across the city. The operation had been in motion for weeks. Thai authorities, particularly the Narcotics Suppression Bureau, had been monitoring Placid's movements and communications, linking him to a drug ring that spanned across multiple countries. Using encrypted messaging apps, the network orchestrated cocaine deliveries that made their way from South America to Southeast Asia, with Thailand acting as a distribution point. The police had gathered intelligence on a cocaine shipment that was due to arrive in Bangkok. With this information, they prepared a targeted strike. They planned the operation with precision, knowing that the stakes were high and the syndicate had been operating undetected for years. The streets of Silom, alive with people, would soon become the backdrop for a high-stakes arrest. On the night of the arrest, everything fell into place. As Placid walked out from a bar in Silom Soi 1, surrounded by the chaos of the nightlife, plainclothes officers closed in. They detained him swiftly, and during the search, officers seized 30 grams of high-quality cocaine, 1.5 million baht in cash, foreign currency, and valuable jewelry. The amount of money and high-grade drugs confirmed that this was no small-time dealer, but the operation didn't stop there. Authorities arrested 3 other suspects tied to the operation, a Swiss national and 2 Thai nationals, who had been working alongside Placid. These men were also involved in the distribution network, laundering money, and helping keep the operation running smoothly. Placid's arrest was a key piece in a much larger puzzle, and the investigation into his connections would reveal just how far-reaching this syndicate truly was. The question on everyone's mind was, how involved was Placid in the syndicate? Was he merely a courier, or did he hold a more significant role? While Placid's immediate arrest seemed to point to him being a small player, the evidence painted a more complex picture. Police discovered encrypted communication logs that indicated his direct involvement in organizing deals and managing local distribution channels. One of the most shocking discoveries was the link between Placid and Patrick, another Nigerian man who had been living in Thailand for 17 years. Patrick was identified as the mastermind behind the drug trafficking network that had been operating in Thailand for nearly a decade. He had managed to evade capture for years, setting up a network that included local dealers, money launderers, and corrupt officials. After weeks of investigations, police pieced together the full scope of the operation. Placid, it turned out, wasn't just a small-time dealer. He was deeply connected to a well-organized network that had been smuggling and distributing cocaine through Southeast Asia. Authorities were able to link him to several other syndicate members and dismantle much of the operation. In the end, the operation resulted in a massive drug seizure and a significant blow to the cocaine trade in Bangkok. While Placid's arrest marked a victory for Thai authorities, the investigation was far from over. Further arrests were expected, and police were determined to bring down the entire criminal network. For the residents of Silom and Bangkok at large, the arrest of Nwaiwu Ifeanyi Placid served as a stark reminder that behind the glowing lights and tourist-filled streets, dark and dangerous operations were at play. The case raised important questions about the scope of drug trafficking in Thailand and the international networks feeding the city's nightlife with illicit substances.